Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back at Paul Sherry RVs, and it's been a little while, hasn't it? It's been busy around here. We just ended the month of May 2020, a record month. We sold more RVs than we have ever sold before. Customers are really excited to get out and go camping. It's a great way in today's society with social distancing and things like that to go out and to do your family vacations and to spend some time with loved ones. But I'm back with the videos. Today I'm doing a video on an all-new brand here at the dealership. We picked up Coachmen Catalina over the last month, and we're super excited to offer them to you right here at the dealership. Still, all the great things about Paul Sherry's is offered on these trailers, and I'm just going to turn this camera around and start showing you this all-new Coachmen Catalina. This is the Coachmen Catalina. This is a 3-slide travel trailer. So this is going to be one of their bigger trailers they offer. They call it a 333 RETS. So it's a 333 rear entertainment triple slide is what that RETS stands for. The Coachmen Catalina is a Forest River product, and it complements a lot of the things that the Cherokee trailers have that I've done numerous videos on, and one of them is the aerodynamic front end. It's a 3-piece metal front end. The top 2-piece rolled aluminum, and then the bottom piece is a diamond plate rock guard, just like what the Cherokee brand offers. 2 propane bottles, does come with a power tongue jack here. On this side of the camper, there is 2 slide outs. There's going to be a bed slide, which is super exciting. We don't have a lot of trailers that offer that. The water heater on this is the nice water heater. This is a quick recovery, 6-gallon gas or electricity water heater. So if you're at a campsite that has electric and you've already paid for it, that's a great option there. I set up the outside shower. I love this. It's got a connector up here on the wall from the factory, so you could actually, if you wanted to rinse yourself off, maybe you got some mud on you or some salt water. I don't know if I would actually be in the nude taking a shower out here, but if you got your swimsuit on and just want to wash off, there is hot and cold water to do that. And then next to here, we've got some of your water connections, gravity fill, fresh water tank fill. We've got a flock of geese flying over, sorry about that. And then here we have your city water connection, which I like because it's white. Which differentiates itself from the black tank flush. That's going to be your black tank clean out, which is your poop tank, right? Cable satellite hookup. Here's some plumbing in your dump station here. And then up here, it does have the Coachmen shield, the insulated and covered underbelly there. It's going to protect your plumbing and wires underneath there, and also provide an insulation factor. Alloy wheels here look really sharp. And it does have the fender here. It's a metal fender, which I've never seen on any other brands. Doing this for a long time, I can tell you those plastic fenders that you see on competing brands, they crack probably 6 months after the camper's built. They always crack, and then after a year or two, they just simply fall off. So here's your second slide. The rear of the trailer, it is prepped for the backup monitor, does have the crowned roof, has a spare tire right here. Check out our website. I'll post links below too, right? It's been a little while since I've done videos. You guys can make fun of me later. One slide on this side. Has power awning here, which I have out just partially, right? And it's an adjustable power awning. And then here you have some outside storage, which I'm going to show you that more when we get inside, because it's a pretty cool area. Has a leash link here for the pet. This is also great to tie down bicycles, maybe to lock them up at night, or your grill, keep it from blowing around. You can strap it in. Triple step lipper entry. These steps are the secure steps, makes it really easy to get in, has the big grab handle to help you out there as well. And it's a 333 RETS, and with all Forest River products, Forest River's partnered with KOA. And together they're making an initiative to fight cancer, particularly kids that have cancer, which is near and dear to my heart, and I appreciate that. Dry weight on this is going to be just under 8,500 pounds. And get some lights on. There we go. All right, so I'm looking at the back of the camper. Has opposing slides, which really is going to open it up well. Has a peninsula style kitchen here. And I absolutely love the wood color. It's a lighter wood color than what anything else that we offer here on the lot. And it really lightens it up in here, makes it feel big, and just has a comfortable feel to it. So we're going to start in the back here. It has two recliners. I've got the second one reclined here. This is a fabric option. So some customers don't like the vinyl leather. This is a fabric option here, which is nice and comfortable to sit in. Pleated shades on all the windows. Does come with a television. That's one thing that the Coachmen Catalinas pretty much do across the board, is offer the television, particularly on their bigger stuff like this. It comes from the factory, so you don't have to go to the store and buy a TV that tries to fit in that hole. It fits, it looks right, so one less thing to buy after the sale. It comes with DVD player. It's Furrion, Bluetooth, AM, FM, all that right. Inside speakers here. There was outside speakers that I forgot to mention underneath the awning. There's actually two fireplaces in this. This is one here back in the living area. Big windows in this. Nice, comfortable couch. That couch does fold out in a trifold way for extra sleeping. Now, I did want to picture out here that this is a cloth, but it's going to be a cloth. You can see the water bubbling up there. It's protected here, so it's water and stain resistant. It's soft. It's really a nice material. This does have the optional 12-volt refrigerator in here. We have had these in the Cherokees for about a year now, and customers absolutely love them. It's a 10 cubic foot. So typically you would get a 7 cubic foot in this spot, gas or electric. This is a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator. Furrion range hood, Furrion oven, 3 burners on the gas here. And it does have a glass tile backsplash there. And then I love this option here. Good spot for your your toaster oven, or even a crock pot, and even a couple USBs to charge phones and tablets. Furrion oven. So all the appliances from the refrigerator to the microwave oven up here is Furrion. I love when stuff matches, and it does match in here. It has the nice thermofoil wrapped countertop, which is the seamless countertop. I really appreciate that because you don't get the edging that pops off here. And then it also allows you to do the sunk down end stainless steel sink. They've optioned in with a nice single basin sink with a high-rise stainless steel faucet pull down option there, as you can see. I love the single basin because you can actually fit your pots and pans. If you were to split this sink, neither side of the sink would be big enough to fit your skillet in, I promise you that. So they've gone to a single basin sink on a lot of brands, and it's really the way to go. Freestanding table dinette. Rooftop air conditioner. Coming up here, there's a door to go into the bedroom. I've got it open. But there's also a door right here that goes into the bathroom. The bathroom has 2 entrances, one right from the bedroom. This is not always open. There is a pocket door to separate that off. But sink in here, it's really everything's in here. There's nothing outside of the bathroom, like some floor plans. Stand-up shower, skylight in here. It does have the shower surround as well. And then a lot of space here to get ready in the morning, or to get unready in the evening. Foot flush stool, so plenty of room to get changed in there and to be comfortable in the bathroom. Even has an exhaust fan. All right, as we go up to the master bedroom, there is your control panel here. This is going to work your water heater, water pump, turn on some lights, run your slides in and out, run your awning in and out, and also tell your levels of your tanks. So if you can tell if maybe your poop tank's full, that's something that you want to know, so you can get that done. All right, bedroom. This is really spectacular and something that I've not seen in this price point of a trailer. It has a bed slide here, queen bed, right? And then across from this is going to be your entertainment system up here, and then a built-in fireplace. I said there's 2 fireplaces. This is where your second one is. And then storage up here. You have this whole front wall for storage. On the left, we have the mirrored wardrobe with hanging rod up there for your clothes, and then 2 shelves, and then the floor for shoes, folded sweaters, folded pants, things of that sort. And then a little nook down there. And then we have another door here, and I go, where does this go to? It's a big door. It goes into this closet in here. But this is where, if you want to, it's prepped for a washer dryer. Stackable machine could fit in there. So that's unique. Something you don't see on a lot of travel trailers. So this is the all-new Coachmen Catalina. Available now at Paul Sherry RV, so make sure you check them out. They're coming in every day. I know right now if you're shopping for an RV, inventory can be an issue. Across the RV industry, dealers had record months, just like we did. And the factories have been shut down for 2 months due to the COVID-19. But we here at Paul Sherry's, we were prepared. Maybe not totally, but we were prepared. One reason I didn't do videos for the last month and a half is because I've been working tirelessly with the manufacturers to get more inventory in. And we're getting it in every single day. So if you're ready to go camping, we have the inventory for you. If it's not on our website, let us know what you're looking for. Chances are it's coming in. So people are calling in saying, hey, I want that unit you got coming in, and buying them before they ever get here. So if you want to do that, just secure it, because inventory is an issue right now. Definitely, let's do it. So thanks for watching. I'm going to post a couple links below, and everyone get out, have a great day. Let's distress. Let's go camping, right?